What up, guys? I'm here back with the motherfucking banger, and today I have these Ultra Boosts. They're really beat up, and I'm gonna be using this cleaning product called Reshoevn8r in order to clean this mess up. And I'll give y'all a look after I'm done. And please enjoy this video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and please make sure to like. I would really appreciate it. And enjoy. So here I just finished up the restoration. This is before I used the Reshoevn8r product, and this is the after. As y'all could tell, it's crispy white and it came out pretty nice. Y'all can see these are my beater shoes, and I put them on mud and everything, as you can tell right here in the back. And I used the Chrysler finisher. First I painted it with some Angelus flat white, and then after that I waited for it to dry and used the Chrysler crystal clear. Please make sure to subscribe. I mean, I did this video before, but I had to redo it because obviously the other video was pretty trash, so I wanted to redo this video. And honestly, thank you to all my supporters, and I really appreciate it. Make sure to stay tuned for the next one. I'm out.
I got it all on film. You gotta watch out where you